There's been yet another overhaul on The View. About a month after Sara Haines announced she was leaving ABC talk show for a regular role on Good Morning America, producers have selected her replacement. Are you ready for your close-up, Abby Huntsman? Indeed, the 32-year-old former Fox News personality has been officially hired as a new View panelist, weeks after rumors first circulated that she would land the job.
We have an exciting season ahead of us and are thrilled to welcome Abby Huntsman to The View, Hillary St. McLaughlin, the show's senior executive producer, said in a statement. She added, "She brings her unique life and professional experiences and has a smart, relatable and distinctive point of view on everything from pop culture to politics to parenthood."
We can't wait to return to the Hot Topics table with Abby joining our panel of incredibly talented women whose diverse voices have always played a significant role in the national conversation. Huntsman previously worked as an assignment reporter for Fox News Channel and also served as a co-host of Fox and Friends Weekend. She will bring a conservative voice to The View, a series that has made a real effort of late to balance out its talk of politics and current event issues with opinions from all sides. Huntsman is also the daughter of former Governor John Huntsman Jr., who served as U.S. Ambassador to China under Barack Obama. He currently serves as U.S. Ambassador to Russia under President Donald Trump. Yes, Russia under President Donald Trump.
"You must have some stories, right?" said Huntsman in a statement of her own. "I couldn't be more excited to return to my professional roots at ABC News. I look forward to adding my own point of view to the most interesting and successful talk show on television today. Joining the women at The View really is a dream come true." Season 22 of The View will premiere on Tuesday, September 4th.
For the many episodes ahead, Huntsman will join a panel that includes Meghan McCain, Whoopi Goldberg, Sunny Hostin, and Joy Behar. Announced guests for the first month include Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States Sonia Sotomayor, former Secretary of State John Kerry, Senator Charles Schumer, Stormy Daniels, Wendy Williams, Kristen Bell, America Ferrera, Ricky Gervais, Taraji P. Henson, Mariska Hargitay, Ice-T, Terry Bendy, and Robert Irwin. Emma Thompson,
Sally Field, Jane Fonda. What do you think of Abby Huntsman as a panelist?
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.